Okay, let us learn how to add a text box now. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give it new graphical effects. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document. Now let us find out how to create a text box. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Text Box button in the text group. Select the Draw Text button option from the drop-down menu. The pointer changes into cross symbol. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the document to create the text box. The text box will be drawn with the insertion point inside it. You can resize the text box by dragging its handles. Type the text. It automatically adjusts and shifts the text to the next line with respect to the box area. You will observe that the Format tab appears automatically on the ribbon with various options. To change the text box style, select the text box and click on the More drop-down arrow in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab to display more style options. Move the pointer over the styles and select any desired style. You can also select the text and then change the font, color and size by using the commands on the Format and Home tabs. Click anywhere outside the text box to return to your document. Students, note the fact that you can give a cover page to your document by clicking on the Insert tab, then go to Cover Page option. Similarly, you can add sidebar strip into your document by clicking on the Insert tab, then go to Text Box option. Okay, let us learn how to insert word art. The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadowed, three-dimensional, etc. Select the text on which you wish to apply a word art effect. Click on the Insert tab. Select the word art option in the text group and choose the desired effect from the word art gallery. The letter A represents the different designs that you can select to apply on the text you type. A placeholder appears with the highlighted text, Your text here. Enter the text to replace the placeholder text. Let us learn how to apply effects to word art text now. Select the word art text. Select the Text Effects button. A list of various effects categories from the Word Art Styles group will be displayed. Place the pointer on the Glow option. Click on the Glow options from the displayed submenu and set its presets, color, size and transparency according to the requirement. The effect will be applied to your text. Okay students, let us know more. When you insert word art in a document, the Layout options icon appears adjacent to its right corner. You can adjust the position of the word art and wrap the text around it by using the Layout options.